Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.